We have a mask and a chesty, and it's time to get the canopy and take some photos on a 55 to 50. Smart Shimla, look at this fancified footpaths. I like it. I'm not really feeling it today, the photography, it's not running in my veins. I feel like doing street photography. I'm on the street, I'm not even on the street. I am walking a road that goes from a jungle. Let's see what we can make here. Optimism, the biatch. Now look at all those pretty rhododendron flowers. You know, not gonna lie, I am suffering for photos right now. I am struggling. Haven't clicked a single decent photograph. I did spot some compositions with the trees, but I was like, well, I have said I'm gonna be sticking to the telephoto lens. Just gotta make peace with the fact that not always you get good photographs. Sometimes it's just meant to be a shitty day, but the day hasn't ended yet, so let's continue. Architecture. Hello my friend, we are clicking architecture. I don't know what, I couldn't care less. All I need is you know. Every time when I head out, I think I'm gonna keep this one very candid and not make much cuts in the video. Then I end up shooting like an hour-long pure videos, and barely 4 people watch my videos, so I feel like I should wait for a person to come from that side, because without that the composition is quite empty. Isn't really making much sense. I need a subject. What the hell? अरे भैंस की आँख. I mean, could you just suck? The timing of the car and the dude walking collided. I wanted him somewhere here. I captured him somewhere there because of that stupid car. Fucking hell. I've fallen out of touch with photography, it seems. Minimalism shots and all that, yada yada. I'm literally photographing a chimney, if that's a chimney or I don't know. Oh, whatever. I just liked it. I like the way it's patched on the roof. Inayat. But sometimes I do get nice shots and then I'm like, yes, I like this too. Come on dog, you don't have to be afraid or scared. And you don't necessarily have to bite my ass off, because there's barely any. You know what would look really cool? A bird sitting on that machi wali goat. fine. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for someone to rest on. At this point, it's just getting repetitive, and honestly, I don't feel like continuing this video.